Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine, and I expect that you have gone through all the videos of your admission of partners. So, this is the same series which we are continuing that admission of partners, and this would be our last video regarding your admission of partner as well as your adjustment of capital. In last some of the videos, if I recapitulate you that I'm talking about adjustment of capital, we did adjustment of capital, and I make you understood that two types of adjustments questions might be comes into your exams. One is your where your adjustment is required, and as well as new partners capital is given, and second was where they can ask you for your proportionate capital, but new partners capital is missing. So let's start with the same questions. You can see balance sheet is given. Madan and Mohan our share PSR 3:2, and these are the some of the information of your balance sheets, assets and liability. WCR is there, workman composition reserve. They decided to admit Gopal on 1st April 2010 for 1/4 share on the following terms. Gopal shall bring 25,000 as his share of premium for goodwill. Unaccounted accrued income 500 be provided for. Market value of investment as there. Debtor whose dues rupees 1,000 was written off as bad debts paid 800 in full settlement. A claim of 2,000 on account of WCR. Patents are undervalued. Gopal to bring in capital equal to 1/4 of the total capital of new firm after all adjustment. So now in this question you can see there are number of adjustment need to understand, like bad debts is there, market value of investment is there, and new point comes in, that is your WCR. This you did in your reconstitution of partnership firm. Patents are undervalued, and majority which are you can say focus of this lecture, that is your adjustment. Okay, let's start with your revaluation. So bad debts recovered is there 800, this is same. Okay, and the investment is gone up or gone down. Let's see, yes, 50,000 investment was there, so it is reduced. Yes, market value investment gone down 45,000, so 5,000 would be your loss. That's why you can transfer to your revaluation account. This you know, accrued income is there and patent is undervalued. Now point is, now we are checking what they ask for, proportionate capital, and once we started this chapter, your adjustment of capital, this topic, we just understood about firstly you have to check, yes, Gopal is to bring capital equal to 1/4 of total capital of new firm after all adjustment. It means capital is missing, his capital is missing. In last question, last video, we saw one question where capital is adjustment of capital is required and capital is given. This is your second category. Adjustment of capital is required but new partners capital is missing. Now point is that how could we able to calculate? In last video we see that how to calculate total capital or adjustment of capital if new partners capital is missing. How could we able to calculate? With the adjusted capital of all the partners. Yes or no? Yes. So total capital of the firm we are going to calculate by adjusted capital of all the old partners. Okay, so adjusted capital, I told you earlier, adjusted capital means capital of old partners or capital of partners after all adjustment. All adjustment means making total of your credit side. Let's say Madan or Mohan, these are the two old partners. Okay, Gopal is new, so what we have to calculate? Adjusted capital of Madan first, then adjusted capital of Mohan. So what we have to understand, firstly we have to calculate adjusted capital of this, then adjusted capital of Mohan. Once we calculate, then make total of adjusted capital of Madan, adjusted capital of Mohan. Now adjusted capital means capital of partners after all adjustment. Make total of credit side of Madan 60,000 plus 12,000 plus 780 plus 6,000 plus 15,000. Okay, this becomes your adjusted capital of Madan. If any item comes in debit side, then deduct that item. Okay, then make total of Mohan's credit side 40,000 plus 8,000 520 4,000 plus 10,000. There is nothing is given in your debit side. So that's why there is no need to deduct anything. Make total of that and minus debit side, it comes your adjusted capital of Mohan. Now adjusted capital of Madan, you can see it is given 60. This is okay. Once you make total of that, it becomes your adjusted capital of all the partners. Okay, now how could you calculate adjustment of capital? We know that for adjustment of capital we need to calculate what? Total capital. Total capital equal to adjusted capital of existing partners divided by their combined share of profit. Okay, or you can say adjusted capital of all the adjusted capital combined capital of old partners multiply their reciprocal share. Now 1/4 share is given to new partners Gopal. It means 3/4 left with Madan and Mohan. So it means their adjusted combined capital equal to 3/4. So once you multiply this adjusted combined capital by reciprocal of their share means 4/3. It means this is your total capital. Okay, and they mentioned about that Gopal has to bring how much capital? 1/4 of the total capital of new firm. So we calculated total capital of the new firm. This is 2,08,400. Once you multiply it as by 1/4, it comes 52,100. It means 52,100 capital has to be brought in by Gopal. 52,100 by bank 52,100. So once you calculate your balancing figure, this is your closing capital. You can transfer to your balance sheet. So I hope you understood. So this is one category of your same adjustment of capital where new partners capital is missing and they ask for calculate a proportionate capital share of new partners. Okay, now the same we are continuing with one more questions where you can see proportionate capital and capital adjustment simultaneously, both are there. Ajay and Vijay were sharing PSR 5:3. They admitted Raju as a partner with 1/5 share in the profit. He had to contribute proportionate capital. Now again the same question is there. He had to contribute proportionate capital. For proportionate capital you have to calculate first total capital of the firm. For total capital we have to see whether new partners capital is given or not. So if you see in this question new partners capital is not there. So what we have to do? Same thing which we did in your last example. So revaluation I am not coming to on that revaluation that we that you people can calculate by your own revaluation account. So we just directly comes to this, you can solve by your own. Okay, so let comes to the main point which is your adjustment of capital. Yes, so Ajay and Vijay are two partners. Raju comes in. So once you deduct Raju shares, that becomes your share of both the partners means Ajay and Vijay. Firstly you have to calculate Ajay's adjusted capital 55,000 plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 16,250 minus this minus your investments. Okay, and the balancing figure comes your this one 74,750. This is your adjusted capital of Ajay. Plus same, make the total of credit side minus debit side. Okay, it comes your adjusted capital of Vijay. This is once you make total of both, it becomes your total combined capital. Multiply the reciprocal share. Share is 4/5. Multiply 5/4. It comes your total capital. Okay, 1,14,200 multiply 5/4. It becomes your total capital. And once you multiply 1/5, it becomes your proportionate capital. This we did in same last questions. Okay, and next thing they ask for calculation of your capital of Ajay and Vijay also. So what do you have to do? The total capital, once you multiply the total capital, this one, total capital by new profit sharing ratio, this becomes shares of your old partner. This we did. Okay. And once you transfer the same over here, to balance carried down. Okay, to balance carried down, balancing figure comes, that would be transferred to your current account or cash account. Okay, means total capital comes 14,200 multiply 5 by 4, it becomes your or combined capital. Okay, once you make it by multiply by new ratio, it becomes your Ajay and Vijay capital. And once you compare the capital, your total capital with adjusted capital, it becomes surplus or deficiency. Okay, if your closing capital, this one, if your closing capital that is higher, that is called deficiency, means that partner needs to bring more cash. If nothing is specifically given, that means you can pass that entry, cash account debit, bank account debit to partner's capital. But if your closing capital is less, adjusted capital is higher, it means that is called surplus. Already that person invested more amount, so that's why you have to pay back to him that person excess amount, that is called surplus. Okay, so I think you understood the basic of your adjustment of capital. So once you go through again the videos, as well as once you try one or two questions, then you can able to understand it more accurately, I think so. So that's why this is all about from my side. So feel free to ask questions, try your questions. Once you try a lot of questions, automatically you get to understand the topics in a easy way, and you can just plan your things accordingly. So still, if you have any inquiry after just watching these all kind of videos, then we would be having a doubt sessions also, so we'll discuss each and everything over there also. As well as you can just having my numbers, you can ask questions. Okay, you can just WhatsApp your query, you can ask questions on comment section also. So feel free to ask. Okay, stay tuned for next. So all the best. Thank you, thanks a lot.